Yes. To your question, I can say that there are certain factors which, if they are given due care and consideration is done, maybe that there are all the chances that Pakistan would get back on the track of development and stability. Those factors, I would say, uh, they're, they're very important factors. One is the governance. As far as the governance is concerned, there should be good governance, and governance should be done with all the sincerity and with all the dedication, and interest of the public should be kept above everything. And then is the follow. There's this rule of law. Rule of law, and when I say rule of law, that means the rule of law should be there should be equality for everyone, and nobody should be considered above the law, and people, they should have respect for the rule of law, and they should follow the rule of law. And this helps in improving the justice system. And as a lawyer, I would say that basically it's a fundamental duty, or rather I would say it's the prime duty of lawyers to ensure or to contribute towards that effect that rule of law is respected and rule of law is followed. And then comes the corruption. Corruption is the main factor. And when corruption, we should eliminate totally, in totality from our country, and it should be corruption free. And then the forward planning should be there. And when there is a forward planning, and then there should be continuity in that also. First of all, we should set the targets, and when we set the targets, it should be well planned, well thought of it, and all the deliberation is done, due consideration, due care is done, and that should be there. And then good leadership. We should have a very sincere and honest leadership, and leadership plays very important role. And leadership should not be only to govern the people by law or through law. Rather, it should respect the rule of law, and there should be sincerity and honesty in the leadership, so that our country can move back onto the track towards the peace, prosperity, and the development. And these are the very important factors which, if the due care is given with sincerity and honesty, I'm sure Pakistan will get back onto the track of development. And when development is there, equality is there, sincerity is there, justice for all is there, and when the leadership has the confidence of the people or the public, surely it is going to bring a great change into our system, which can help us to move forward on the path of stability and on the path of development. People are very honest, people are very sincere, people are very good in Pakistan. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much, please. Thank you.